What's up YouTube, what is good YouTube? It's your boy Kanzi Beats right here with another video for you guys. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make banging drums. I'm going to show you how to make smashing drums, how to make your drums hit harder. So make sure to stick right in the video so you can see how I did that. I'm going to do that, and then make sure to like, subscribe. For those of y'all who haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button right now. You're on the road to 1k subscribers, so click that subscribe button right now. So let's get to today's video. Let's go. So right now on today's video I have this beat I made. I'm going to play the beat for you to listen. I'm going to start where the drums are. Well, you can already hear that I have such an amazing drum, but we're gonna make it hit harder. We're gonna make it be more amazing. So what you do is you first of all route everything to your mixer. Once that's done, you go over to your drums in your mixer. I have my clap. So what you do is you go to your soft clipper, Fruity soft clipper. Then make sure to reduce the post gain down a little. You know why I'm doing that? It's because if you don't do that, once you do what I'm going to do next, it's going to make your beats, your drums, it's going to be clipping. It's going to cause clip in your beats. So you want to be able to reduce the post gain a little, but not too much, but a little will do. I think this much is okay. Now what you do next is you move over to the clap, and then go over to your miscellaneous function, this wrench tool right here. Go to the volume knob and then increase it a little. You can hear the clap is more hard, but you don't want to do it too much because it's going to be too loud and it's gonna be too much. So I think this much is okay. Now what we do next is we go to the snare. I think this is it. So I already have a soft clipper here. Bring that down a little. Then we move over here, and then you can feel that. So now we move to the kick. So we add a soft clipper. I think this much is good for the kick. I will move over here, and then same wrench tool, increase it. If you do too much, it's going to be muddy, so I think this much. And now you can also do that to your 808, but I think I like mine like this. But let's try it. We can always explore new things. So soft clipper, bring that down too low. I think this much is good. And then whoa, I think I like it. Wow. Whoa. Now let's play everything together. The most fun fact about this is I just learned this not quite long ago. I knew when I started making beats, I knew about this. Man, damn, I would have been making a whole lot of smashing drums, but we learn every day. It's good. That's why I decided to share it right for you guys, so you guys can also not make the same mistake I make not knowing this earlier when I started. But it's good, it's out for you guys. Try this in your beats, figure things out, learn new things, never stick to one old thing. Life is about exploring, so explore, learn new things, try this out, but do not always do too much. Do you must not always do what, be like somebody always. Sometimes try to do you. Thank you guys for tuning in for today's channel. I know this is a very quick video, but I saw this as something you guys needed to know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. Click that subscribe button right now if this was helpful to you, and click that notification button so you can get notified for my next video, because I'll be doing a whole lot of tutorials for you guys, a whole lot of helpful tutorials, not just tutorials, helpful tutorials for you guys. Make sure to click that subscribe button right now. Hey, let's go.